We hear the echo of forgotten days. Atlantis calls our name. In temple halls of crystal stone, we walk the path our souls have known. Sacred geometry in stone and star, the ancient code that binds us all. Close your eyes, open wide, feel the pulse inside. Beneath the noise, beyond the tide, the spark of truth will rise. We are the children of the light, remembering who we are inside. Heart and mind wide open to the skies. We rise in Christ consciousness. We rise, we rise. Beyond these walls, beyond this time, we reach new worlds divine. Awake in unity, one love, one soul, eternally. Through swirling fractals of the mind, we trace the threads of humankind. Patterns echo through the void, the secrets hidden once destroyed. We travel past the veil of sight, to realms of color, realms of light. Entering the gates where angels sing, ascending now on cosmic wings. Breathe in deep, release the fear. Listen close, the call is clear. Not lost, never gone, the truth remains, a timeless flame. We are the children of the light, remembering who we are inside. Hear the universe proclaim.